Crystal here with Screamin' Chicken. We wanted to let y'all know that we are hosting a First Gen Day event for the North Texas Camaro Club at our shop on February 25th from 12 to 4 p.m. This is a club event, but all First Gen owners are welcome. This is a Camaro club local to the DFW area, but some of the members have Firebirds as well. The North Texas Camaro Club has been around for 31 years this year, and they average about 300 members. They are a fun, low-pressure club, and they don't have any elected officials or mandatory meetings. They just meet informally at shows, cruises, and big events. So y'all go check out their website if interested. I will put it here on the screen. For this event, there will be some beautiful cars, food, Screamin' Chicken product demos, and giveaways. Here are pictures of some of the members' cars. Some are from the events here at our shop, as well as other events they attend during the year. As you can see, there are a lot of really nice cars. Here is what their website looks like. There is club info, events, information about First Gens, as well as how to become a member. You can also check out pictures of some of the members' cars. So bring out your First Gen and come meet some amazing people. Again, that event is going to be not this Saturday, but next, February 25th from 12 to 4 at our shop here in Azle, Texas. We have a big back lot to host all the cars. There is plenty of room for everyone to park. So y'all come out and join us, and we can't wait to see everyone.